Hi guys, so today sasagutin lang natin dito yung mga questions, yung feedback from our video na ginawa before, which is itong video na yon. Ito. So dito kasi binigyan natin ng perspective, nag-share tayo dito ng ideas. Marami nang nagtatanong dito guys, no, kung open pa ba yung positions na to, ano yung strategy na ginagawa ko dito. We'll share as well other trades dito na pwede nating i-contest. Bibigyan ko lang ng ideas dito guys, no, sa video natin today. Pero yung questions dito is that open pa ba yung positions na yun? As you can see naman dito, ano yung strategy ko, bakit ko siya na-trade, no? Ano yung nakita ko dito sa chart, why I contested itong si Link USDT or itong coin na to, ano yung patterns, no, indicators na ginagamit natin dito. Pero before natin simulan itong video natin dito guys, is that kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. So dito guys sa ating YouTube channel, whatever the market condition is, basta merong mga nagtatanong, may mga feedbacks from our videos, is that active natin dito magbigay ng perspective, idea sa inyo, no. So same goes with our previous video, bibigyan natin dito ng feedbacks as well as sagutin natin yung questions ng community guys, no. So ang unang questions dito, open pa ba yung positions na to? As you can see dito guys, gumagalaw naman siya, hindi ko pa siya change into different window para makita nyo na gumagalaw itong pinaka PNL ROI natin dito as well as yung charts, no. Ito naka 4 hours time frame ito, and as we can see, ito yung pinaka entry positions natin, no, around 5.1 in USDT. Tas right now nasa 12.25 in USDT na itong si Link USDT pair guys, no. So on my own perspective guys, again, ito is very risky guys ang trading, no. This is very risky, and mga experienced trader lang yung gumagawa nito, kasi anytime pwede kang ma-liquidate dito. Ito yung pinaka liquidation price nya. I try to adjust dito ng leverage from 15x to 25x, kaya nasa 53,500 plus percentage na siya dito, nasa 25x na ito, and yung margin din niya dito is that nasa 25 USDT na lang guys, no. Once you adjusted yung leverage, mag-adjust din yung pinaka starting balance na ginamit mo dito guys, no. So yun, isa sa mga strategies ko dito guys is to look kung ano yung mga nakikita ko dito na divergence, ano yung month, I record the data, yung mga previous historical data based on the ROI, I recorded that. And if I observe or if I notice na, for example, June, this month is negative month, negative ROI, and then sometimes September, that's the time na I conclude some formula, criteria to set positions dito guys. I look for the monthly ROI overall, so I backtrack the 12-year data ng price actions based on the month ng ROI, and then after that I execute a trades dito guys, no. But then again, disclaimer lang, yung past performance does not guarantee, no, yung pinaka future results niya. So this is only based on my instinct and based on my experience. This is very risky, I keep mentioning this guys, no. And again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas naman dito sa mga nagtatanong. Yan yung pinaka-importante, and napaka-importante nung experience natin dito, no. Also last month guys, meron tayong binigay na perspective, pinaka-challenge video, hold and earn challenge, which is nandito yon sa ating YouTube channel. So scroll down lang natin dito ng konti, and eto, pero palitin ko lang yung screen para mas makita natin. Ito guys, no, binigyan ko ng perspective ito. So ito, pwede nyo panoorin. Meron tayong 4 na coin dyan na binigyan ng perspective. Sobrang baba pa lang ni BTC during that time. I think around nasa 25k pa lang ata si BTC if I'm not mistaken, pero meron tayong 4 na example dyan guys, no. So you can just watch itong video na to. And ito din guys, i-close natin to 3rd week nitong November or maybe last week, but yun, just make sure lang to subscribe para maabangan nyo yung pinaka-update natin dito, as well as dito sa challenge na to, kung magkano yung inabot ng 8,500 natin, kung magkano na once we close next few weeks guys, no. For now, punta muna tayo dito guys for the strategy. Meron din tayo ditong open positions, And as we can see why I contested ito, I give perspective din dito guys kay C, no? CUSDT. Binigyan natin to ng perspective. Unang-una kong tinitingnan guys is that yung divergence, this is very important, one of my criteria, no? So, for example, itong si Atom, bigyan natin ng perspective. Meron tayo dito nakita na pagbaba ng presyo. So, one of the good divergence kasi yung volume niya is going up, no? Nung pagbagsak ng presyo, yung pinaka-volume niya dito is nag-sustain as well as yung RSI guys, no? If you observe naman sa mga challenge natin, sobrang simple lang ng indicators ng chart natin, wala tayong masyadong indicators dito. Yung pinaka-importante kasi dito guys is that effective yung magiging setups natin, no? So right now we can see some divergence na maganda, kaya umangat itong price actions na to. We can also see dito ng swing high and then nagkaroon siya ng minor retracement. So this kind of price actions is that nagpapahiwatig siya na momentum can go farther sa upside guys, no? Itong si Atom, maybe I'll contest itong price actions dito ni Atom. So yun, bigyan ko lang siguro dito guys ng pinaka perspective ito if ever man na i-contest ko itong si Atom. Pero meron na siya kasi ditong mga minor retracements, no? This is on the daily time frame, pero check natin sa 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours time frame, nagkaroon siya dito ng pinaka breakout guys, no? If we take a look, tanggalin muna natin itong mga trend line na nilagay natin dito. This is breakdown, kaya bumagsak yung price action. Pero right now kasi, we can see some break nitong trend sa upside guys, no? This is a clear breakout and this could potentially, ito yung tinatawag na change of trend. Kung yung mga previous move niya dati is that nauuntog tapos bumabagsak, ngayon since nabutas na itong area na to, there's a probability that the price could rally sa upside guys, no? But keep in mind guys na itong price actions na to is that on the momentum na. If you contest this, please make sure to practice yung risk management guys, no? Kasi yung isa sa tinitingnan dito if you are experienced trader is that yung opportunity sana na itong pinaka double bottom na itong pinaka support area na to, no? In this scenario guys is that momentum play na lang ang gagawin mo, trust the trend na tinatawag. If ever man na mag-retracement to sa downside, that's the time na pwede tayo ditong mag-enter a positions guys, no? So siguro I'll try to contest lang itong si Atom. So ito yung play ko for Atom. We can see some bullish divergence and tayong breakout dito sa diagonal resistance and then the move of this price action. So we can see RSI as well, follow up daily time frames guys. 4 hours time frame, ito yung chart niya. Sa daily naman, as we can see, meron tayo nakita na divergence and if ever man na mag-retrace to sa downside, ito yung pinaka-setup natin. And yun, so we'll see kung paano magma-materialize itong price actions na to. But then again guys, no, just ask questions if you have any other feedbacks dito sa video na ginagawa natin sa ating YouTube channel, and I'm happy to do feedbacks, compile it, and acknowledge yung mga feedbacks or questions nyo dito guys, no? So yun lang for today guys. Hope you get some ideas dito, hope you learn something. And kung hindi nyo papalagay sa papanood yung challenge natin na ginawa, kahit cellphone lang yung gamit natin dito, is that click nyo lang tong video na to guys, and hope you get some ideas sa video na yun guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.